Did you know that most people who learn English for years still feel completely stuck when someone asks them a simple question like, "What did you do today?"
That's a scary truth.
I'm Olivia.
And I'm Michael. Welcome to Qlip English.
Today, we're going to solve that problem. We're going to show you how to talk about your daily routine in a natural, confident way from morning to night without sounding like a textbook or freezing up.
Whether you're a beginner or at A2 level, these simple phrases will help you describe your day clearly and comfortably in real conversations.
Let's start with the morning. Instead of saying, "I wake up," you can say, "I usually wake up around 7. First, I make coffee and sit quietly for a few minutes. Then I get dressed and have breakfast."
For going to work or study, I take the bus to work. The journey takes about 30 minutes. I listen to a podcast on the way.
In the evening, you can say, "After work, I relax for a bit, cook a simple dinner, and spend time with my family. Before bed, I read a book for 15 minutes.
The secret is using small connectors like first, then, after that, before bed. These words make your English flow naturally and sound like a real person.
Let me share a quick story. Last month, I spoke with a 46-year-old woman named Nadia. She understood English quite well, but always felt nervous when people asked about her day. After learning these simple patterns and practicing them for just 10 minutes every evening, she told me she finally felt confident answering questions about her routine at work.
Small, consistent practice really works.
So here's your simple challenge this week. Every evening, take 1 minute and describe your day in English out loud. Use at least 4 phrases from this video. Don't correct yourself. Just speak naturally.
Come back and tell us in the comments, what is one thing you do every single day? Are you a morning person or an evening person? Write it in English.
If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to Qlip English, and share it with a friend who wants to speak more naturally.
In the next video, we're going to reveal the 1% native listening secret. This is a very powerful lesson you don't want to miss.
Thank you for watching. Stop overthinking, start speaking. See you in the next one. Bye.